If you are a hotel owner or you are looking forward to getting into the hotel business and you want to get to know how you can create a hotel management system, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can have a very easy hotel management system that does the work for you. All right, so like you can see on the screen now, if I should search for this, using this to search for what is a hotel booking management system, and then you can see right here, a hotel booking management system, which you can also call hotel reservation software, is a centralized digital platform that that automates the entire reservation process from initial booking to checkout. Okay, so I want to believe you watching this video, this is what you want to know, this is information that you need. Okay, and that's what I want to guide you through. So before we get into the video proper, if you are new to the channel or you are yet to subscribe, kindly go ahead right now and click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and also click on that bell icon so that you can be notified of subsequent video. So now let me show you the website for this. Using this as an example, now this is the website. Let's say this is your website now as the hotel owner or someone who wants to start a hotel. Okay, basically you are going to need a website for this. All right, so this is how the system works. Okay, now if you look at it, let me open it in a separate tab. Okay, now the difference between this and this other one is because I'm currently logged into this as the administrator. So that means like maybe the website owner or the manager or someone that just has access to the back end. Okay, but let me open it from maybe like a customer now. So this is what they're going to see. This is how your website design could be different. Okay, but let's say take this to be our website design. And so once a customer is on your website like this, they can go ahead and put in their check-in date, check-out dates, number of adults and children, and then you can go ahead and search and complete their booking process. Okay, so how do you go ahead to manage all of these things together as an hotel owner? All right, and by the way, if you want to know how you can have a hotel website like this, or maybe in a different design or different concept, okay, I have a comprehensive video that will guide you on how you can create an hotel website. And if you also want us to do it for you, you can reach out to us via the email that is showing up below the video. All right, so that's by the way. So once they've completed the booking process and everything, you are going to receive a message in your backend. All right, so let me show you what the backend looks like. So I'm currently in the backend. Let me refresh this so that you can see that I'm logged in. Okay, so this is the backend. Now if you scroll down, you see this option of booking right here. So if you hover over it, you see this option of all bookings. Now you can see right here, you're going to see all the bookings that are coming. All right, you see the booking ID, the status of the booking, the check-in date, the checkout date, number of guests, all right, maybe number of adults and children, information about the customer, the price, the type of accommodation, and then the date. Okay, so this is what the booking system looks like. All right, away from that, if you look here now, you can see the payment history, you can see calendar, customer or coupon, booking rules, taxes, notification. Okay, there are still a lot of options that this system offers you apart from the booking management system itself. This is where you're also going to create the accommodation. Like you can see here, we have accommodation right here. Now this is when somebody book on your website, you see the information here. Now, so you can also create booking for walk-in customer, maybe people that come directly to your hotel or to your resort. You can see there's an option here that shows new booking. All right, so you can also give access to maybe your secretary or your hotel manager to also create booking for walk-in customers also. So you can see they're going to put in the check-in date, the checkout date, what type of accommodation, how many adults, how many children, and then go ahead and search and make that booking. All right, so this is a hotel management system that you can also get started with. All right, now if you need a comprehensive video on how to set all of this up, I'll leave a link to it in the description. And like I said, if you want us to set it up for you, we can also do that. Okay, so that is it. If on this booking side, when you come over to booking and then all booking, now in terms of payment, this is where you can also view payments that were made. All right, for all the bookings, you see the customer name, the status of the payment, how much was paid, the booking number, and how did they pay. Did they pay on arrival? Did they pay online? Okay, you can see it here. And for those that maybe a working customer, you can also create the payments to lodge their payment that okay, this is amount was paid. Okay, away from that, we also have a calendar. All right, so if you look at it right here, so it will show you all the rooms that are available. They call it accommodation right here, to show you a list of accommodations that you have. And for example, now on this date, on the 18th of April, this room was booked. This particular room was booked. That's why it's showing this green. And then you can see it here to show the ones that were booked, the pending, external, and booked. All right, so here you can just select a custom range and it will show you right here a list of accommodations that has been booked on your booking calendar. All right. Then away from that, you can also see your customers' details. Once people start making booking, especially on directly on the website, you are going to see their name, their email, the kind of bookings, the dates they registered, and a whole lot of other information as far as your customers is concerned. You can also use this same system to create a coupon. All right. So maybe you want to give discount on the accommodation or extra services or the likes. Okay, you can also do so here. Now we also have some booking rules. If you want to create a booking rules, maybe when can they check in, when can they check out, what's the minimum number of stay that they can, once they want to make a booking, or what's the maximum. You can see all these are available within this booking system, okay, for your hotels or for your resort. All right, if you want to charge some additional fee or some accommodation taxes or some service tax or some fee or the other, it also allows you to do that. Then in terms of notification, if you want to send custom notification, for example, if I come here and click on add new notification, all right. So you can see right here, you just give the accommodation a name. Do you want it to be automatic or manual? Definitely automatic might be what you want to use. When do you want, maybe one day before or after check-in or check-out. So maybe you want to send a message, to a custom kind of message, either to the admin, that means somebody that has access to the back end of the website or of the booking system, the customer, or maybe to some custom emails address, all right? And then you can just send some message, okay? So it has a whole lot of feature that will definitely suit your hotel website, okay? And it's a budget-friendly system, okay? Away from that, if you also scroll down, you can see you can also synchronize it with other booking system, like maybe like bookings.com. All right, it also offers that. Now, apart from doing all of these, accessing this backend, okay, you can, it also has an app. Okay, so let me show you. If I should come over to accommodations and then here to settings, okay, you can also create an app. So if I should come to advanced, so you can use this system, this to create a API key that you are going to use to connect your backend, that is your booking system, to your phone, so that you can also do some of these things that I show you on your phone. You can create a booking for a customer from your phone. Okay, so if you are not, maybe if you are not on your PC or you're not on your system, you can do that from your phone. All right, and you can see it right here. So this is the app that works with it. Okay, can connect it with your phone. What you just need to do is to come here and create an API key. And once you download the app, it will ask you to set up an API key, which you are going to connect it together so that you can also create booking from your phone and check all the bookings and everything that I've just showed you. Okay, so this is a very easy booking system for your hotels, and this is something that's worth giving a try. All right, and additionally, like I said, you can also build a whole website around this. All right, you can build a whole website around this. So with that, guys, that is what I want to share with you with this hotel booking system. Let me know what you think about it, and if you want a comprehensive guide, I'll leave a video in the description of this video, like a 2 or 3 hours long video, if you want to have that full guide. And if you also want us to set it up for you, do send us a mail and we are going to do that. All right. So guys, thank you very much for watching. And then, like I said, if you have any question or any doubt, let me know in the comment section below. So my name is Prosper, and with that, I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.